Okay, my dad came in and chose violence on his heart. I wish I could have filmed what the hell he was doing, but I couldn't. But basically, they was all going to breakfast early because we're doing a transfer thing to shop. We didn't really plan that. We had plans. If I don't want to talk about plans because they don't happen, I don't want to say it, but he derailed our plans. We was gonna sleep in to do our plans. He was like, no one goes to Dubai and sleeps in. Da 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 da. Da 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 da, running around like, oh, you guys ordered room service. Because people out here starving because none of us ate. He ordered room service. And I was just like, no. He's like, I'm looking at it. I was like, okay. He's like, did you tell your brother there's wings? I was like, no. But yeah, so we're going to a transfer thing. I'm filming for YouTube. You feel like you forget I have a crew. I'm sorry. We're going shopping. Chelsea's a hater.
No, I'm sorry.
Chelsea's a hater. She just keeps calling me crazy. We're going shopping. Hopefully our plans still happen. I'm not gonna talk about the plans because they don't happen and be sad. I'm gonna do my plans one way or another. I'm gonna do my plans one way or another though. I'm gonna end up at that place. Before we, I just don't know how, but I'm gonna get there.
See me, right?
Chelsea, the camera faces me.
I'm just making sure.
Now why would I face the camera at you while you changing?
Oh, I don't know, I'm tired.
I can't even post that on YouTube. Legally.
You sound like Shadow.
Shit. Where was I going with this statement? Ah, I forgot. Oh well. Say Atlanta can't drive.
This was
Wow. This is real suspect. We're going on a cruise. Did our cruise. Chelsea's getting ready. Look, we're all getting ready. We have to be downstairs in like 3 minutes. We're ready.
So I can.
You gotta turn it towards them. There you go. Chelsea. You want Chelsea? Did you find my playlist?
Well, the song's right here.
Please say hello to them.
Oh, I was gonna say just go to the
Please.
playlist. You can just like the playlist, you'll have it.
Please.
Yes? You smacked me.
I be walking like a man in heels sometimes.
Oh, she want a lady like to close my legs. Oh, look at her wearing designer bag next to my Shein bag.
Now I need to get a little stand for it. Now I need to get a little stand for it. Let's breathe.
I got issues here.
Well, that's no for my father.
That was literally.
I was gonna zoom in. Fuck you.
No, it's like they like the whole.
Loser. Okay, we got back. This is my roommate right now because his parents are getting him a stroller, but this is my roomie. The cruise was alright, the food was good, but we didn't get the entertainment part, so but it was nice to look at the view. It was very chilly. I liked my outfit. I need to take pictures because there was only no picture areas, but Buddy was asleep the whole time. But it was nice food. It was nice to just chat. No, you're a mess.
There you go. See it.
It's the same size. It's the same size. You're stupid. That's not a shot.
Just pour some of it out.
No, Chelsea, let him drink it. Stop.
He don't want to drink it all.
Smells.
Drink it.
Taste it.
Drink it. Dad, just take the cup out. Take out the cup.
What's it? What's the chaser? What's in it?
It's Red Bull.
Oh, that's gonna keep me up.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it won't.
I'm telling you, you have have no problem.
Come on, drink it. You got this.
Come on.
You drink detox things.
This is not a college. I'll pour you some in there.
No.
Yeah, we pass around. I'll take my shot first. There you go. That's
Really?
mine. Okay, share the rest.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy
He
New
could've
Year.
had 2
There's my
shots.
shot. Yeah.
That's
There you
it.
go. That's it.
All right.
Morning. We're going on a tour. Hi Chelsea, how are you doing?
Sleepy.
Okay.
Hey, how we doing? Are we pretty? Yes, we're pretty.
You know what? He's
Really?
It is personality.
Pretty.
Yes.
Pretty. We're pretty. Let's get pretty.
And most of these houses, guys, there has been renovated. So they are the actual houses. People.
مرحبا أهلا وحيا فمرحبا يمطو بها وأنا حيران ساعة ودمع أوكي عيني من موج صبايب Give you and Falcon drink شاكر علينا واليوم صارت الندى No salt, no salt, salt no salt. Okay?
Oh, he doesn't want to be touched?
Touch him.
My picture's gonna come out right. You're gonna take good pictures.
It was shiny.
Now focuses in the old side of Dubai here. We don't go here, you know, to Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, those parts. No. Here you focus more in the old side of Dubai, how Dubai started from, the stories about old Dubai. So today you're going to discover more about that. You're going to discover many different places here in the old side of Dubai. And feel free to ask me also any questions. So I think I didn't say my name yet. My name is Muhammad, guys, like everyone here. It's a very, very common name.
somewhere.
So my last name is just me. So my name is Muhammad and just me. This is how we differentiate each other by last names. It's very popular here that my friends will call me by my last name, not first name, because it's less common than the first name. Because also, guys, there's a lot of popular names similar to Muhammad. Like Muhammad, Ahmed, Hamad, Hamza, and so on. Yeah, it's also with each other, yeah? Different buses. You're stuck between the buses now. How are you? Hi. Here. What do you think, guys? Do anyone live here anymore or no? If you think yes, raise your hand. If you think no, no one's living here. So actually, no one is living here anymore. Yeah, so basically nowadays it became more of government offices, museums, kind of the Emirati cuisine restaurants. So basically no one's living here anymore. Yeah. All sand and palm tree houses. So people who could afford building coral houses were wealthier enough. But what about fishermen, you know, and others? They were living in palm tree houses. They're very different. They were living either side, part of that. Yeah. So mainly, it was very simple, different style. And most of what you're seeing now, like, if you go back 6 years ago, nothing was here. 6 years, 7 years ago, nothing was here. No streets, nothing. Only white sand and few houses, yeah. So nothing was here. You guys will find a lot of textile shops a lot. Textiles are very popular here. One of the things what I'm wearing here, this guy we call Kandora, which is a traditional Emirati dress. And we don't buy it from Dubai Mall, medium, large, small. So it's basically customized. Yeah, so we go to the tailor, we choose the fabric, and basically he takes the measurements. And it's like, you know, doing your suit, basically, same idea. But we have a lot of them.
Hi, I'm Bree. I'm a part of this very large group. I'm a student in Atlanta. I study law. I'm really enjoying learning about the culture for the UAE as a whole. I'm considering studying abroad here, and I'm having a lot of fun. I'm great. I get a clap.
I'm related to you.
I was great. Yep.
She's related to me.
Yeah.
Shows that he likes her more.
I'm the favorite.
Favoritism.
But she's the only one that's here with me.
What are you talking about? I'm your
Hi everyone, my name is Charles. I'm from New York. I have one daughter. Everybody else kidnapped me.
No.
Here.
Oh, you don't have a son.
Trying to get away,
What about
but
your
I'm
other
stuck with 18 other people. So help.
And you don't acknowledge Brandon.
He's not here.
Yeah, I know.
He slept, so
Oh, that's why. Okay.
we're not pictures.
Hello everybody, my name is Caseyna. Hi, I'm a college student in New York. I'm also a professional dancer. Yes, I am. Thank you. I perform in the city.
All right.
Where? In the streets?
In the subway. Not the streets.
Heard about you.
I'm a professional dancer, so I'm with my 18 people here to this big old group.
17, I'm not here.
And he's the crazy one. I'm not the crazy one. He's the crazy person here. So yeah, that's all.
Chelsea, you didn't want to speak.
Professional dancers next to the theater. She over there.
He called you a street rat. That's crazy.
In New York City. Sierra subways. That's what it's
Damn.
The opera.
The opera.
See that all families going together, it's amazing. I like to think that. One time I had group that they were all like from the same area. They were all neighbors together.
Wow.
And they came with they told me that they always go to trips like together, all like more than 20 people going together. So it's like very amazing. That's cool. Because here also guys, we are very family oriented. We go with our families, we live with our families a lot. Even though I'm not living with my family, I have to visit them every weekend. It's not.
Wow.
It is very popular thing here. And when you look at some people that I didn't see my parents for 2 years, like and it's normal, like wow, you know. Good, it happens. Very hard. If I don't go to my grandmother for 2 weeks, like, money, where are you? But then say hi, and you know, welcome.
I need visiting once a month, if that.
Yeah, exactly.
Traditionally, we sat on the floor like this, so I don't want to bow down and be uncomfortable the whole time. So that's why it's always men or boys that are serving the coffee. Today, since we are on, sitting on tables and sofas and everything, honestly, we don't really necessarily follow these rules. If it's my dad or my uncle's coming over, I might serve sometimes, but things change a little bit. Anyways, we'll get to the best part. I hope you guys are very hungry. Now, with Burj here, we have a variety of dishes that are local to the Emirates and some that are inspired by other cuisines. So the very first dish here is called chicken biryani, which is an Indian dish, but this is our version. In India, they make it way more spicy, and here we add cardamom a lot, so that's the main difference. Then we have dengo, which are just chickpeas that are boiled in water, and there are red ones. Those are tomatoes. That means they're peppers and they're spicy, so they're not tomatoes. So be careful. It's just to flavor the broth. Then we have biryani, and that's basically vermicelli pasta that is cooked with some sugar and topped with eggs to give it a savory flavor. Then we have chicken nashif, which literally means dried chicken. You actually cook this in broth and then remove the broth, and just the chicken spice mixture comes and remains. You can have that with the khamir, which is our bread. Just a basic flat bread. It's yellow because of the saffron we add to the bread. We have some cream cheese, and you can have that with the khamir as well. The last dish, which is our favorite part, is our dessert. This is called Yeats, and it is the deep fried dough that is yellow from the inside because we add saffron to the dough.
And here we have a motto called open doors, open minds. Meaning you can ask us anything and we'll try our best to answer. Now, where we're sat is a place called a majlis, typically where men or women would gather. And the first thing we do with our guests is we serve them Arabic coffee. So has anybody tried Arabic coffee before? Yeah.
You like it? Yeah. Oh, that's good.
You can be honest. Now, this isn't the type of coffee that will wake you up in the morning. It's like a social drink, I guess you could say.
It's a little nasty, but it tastes like tea.
Any of the kids want to try it, it is light in caffeine. It's almost like a tea in that temperature. So it's something that you can have even a day after eat.
For this, gentlemen, they will grab it. Scroll them down.
You see the flag of Emirati? You have a kind of illustration. Really smart.
We're going to the pool. Oh, it's so pretty.
Thank you. Let me look. I'm just gonna look. I'm so sorry.
Try it. I like that.
Okay, 1 second. Tell me how the.
tissues.